everyone, my name is Desi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to take your candy coated fruit to the next level using our flavored concentrates. Okay, let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, you'll need corn syrup, sugar, your fruit of choice, and of course, the secret ingredient, flavor concentrates. Be sure to use oil-based flavored concentrates when making this recipe so that your mixture doesn't separate. Another optional add-in to this recipe will be things like food coloring and toppings such as Pop Rocks. You will also need utensils to stir, your pot, measuring cups, a candy thermometer, and skewers or toothpicks. Let's start by measuring out our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of sugar, one cup of corn syrup, dentist is gonna love you. And finally, you'll need 1 cup of water. After you add your water in, this is the time to add your food colorings in. We're going to be using a little bit of white food coloring and some coloring from our Get Suckered line of food dyes. This recipe uses white food coloring so that the color dyes can really pop on the outside of your fruit. We're going to be simmering this over a low heat until it reaches 300 degrees according to our candy thermometer. Be sure to stir this all now, including the coloring, that way you don't have to touch or mess with it while it's on the flame. We're going to be dyeing our mixture with a little bit of our red food dye from Get Suckered. I chose red because the flavor I'm going to be using today is called Fruity Stones. Our Fruity Stones flavoring is like Fruity Pebble cereal. So if you're really into cereal flavors, we have a ton and you should definitely check them out. Let's get this transferred over to our stove. While we wait for this to heat up, let's prep our grapes. Take your grapes and be sure they're dried off thoroughly. This is kind of tedious, but if you don't dry them off, the candy will not stick onto the grape. And you really, really want that candy coating to stick. After you dry off a grape, grab a skewer. We have these really cute little party ones. Skewer your grape, and that's it. Repeat. Be sure to check often on the candy. Don't stir, just check that if it's slowly reaching 300 degrees on a low simmer. We finally reached 300 degrees. Now we're going to be adding in our flavor at this stage. Take out your candy thermometer carefully. Today we're gonna be using our Fruity Stone cereal flavor. We did a ½ teaspoon of flavoring into our mixture. Now we're going to stir and let it sit for about 10 seconds before we start to dip. Time to dip. Tilt your pot with your candy mixture and gently roll in a skewered grape. Let the excess drip. It should only take a few seconds to finish dripping and cool. And keep dipping. I'm gonna try to double dip to see if I can get a better color on the grape. Ooh. Shake it like this. And hope it doesn't give itself a wig. That looks like a wig, like a little person. Like I need to put 2 eyes on it. Doesn't that look like a girl, like her name's Sally, with her little dress? Sally Graves. There are a lot of fun options when it comes to packaging your grapes, especially if you're giving these out as a gift. These cute cupcake boxes will double as our grape holders. I'm gonna line the bottom with some Pop Rock candy. And I'm gonna put all my grapes in. Not that one. That's all right now. Finally, I'm gonna top with some gold flake. You can also add things like edible glitter. They're coming out. Oh, it's popping. Pixie dust. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you had a great time following along with this recipe. Let us know in the comments what other fun recipes we should try. Bye.